Hi, this is Raymond Aaron, a silver leader in Young Living. In fact, I just achieved bridge to gold. That's halfway from silver to gold, so I'm really excited. Hopefully I'll get to gold next month. But I want to tell you, this is my unboxing party, and so I want to tell you what I got. I'm so excited. Here's the biggest thing. It's gigantic. It is another diffuser. I decided to get another diffuser. We have 3 already, but I sometimes have to go to another location because the Wi-Fi in my log cabin is not very good. So I've rented a small office in the neighboring town, and I don't have a diffuser there. And instead of schlepping mine from my office there and back, I've just bought another one. And now I can leave lots of oils at my other office and use it every time I go there. And now there's 2 soaps that I love. Oh my gosh. This soap is a charcoal soap, and it's jet black. It smells wonderful, and it's so ironical. How can something that's jet black make you clean? It's just the funniest thing. Typically you think of dirt as black and you want to get rid of it. But this, I don't know, it's funny, and I love it, and it smells divine. It really adds a whole scent to the entire shower. It's so wonderful. Oh. Okay, next is the other kind of soap that I love. And this is the foaming hand soap. You just press this down and it comes out in a big foam, and it comes in 4 different flavors. This is Lush Lemon. It also comes in a winter flavor, which I think they changed to the word Christmas for December. And it also comes in Thieves, which is a wonderful fragrance. And it comes in Lavender. And I've got 2 or 3 of each, but we ran out of Lush Lemon because we used it because we like it so much. So I ordered another one. You might want to do that too. Now, this is a wonderful snack. I know that you know how much I love Ningxia Red, the antioxidant drink. And one of the antioxidants in Ningxia Red is Wolfberry or goji berry. And this is, as you can see, organic dried wolfberries. Organic dried wolfberries. And it's actually, it's like a raisin. It's like the size of a raisin, but it's red. It's the actual wolfberries. And it's dried and it's delicious. So I take a handful, throw it in my mouth, and then the saliva just turns it into like a paste. And then I chew it, and it's the most delicious and sweet confection, but there's no sugar in it at all. So it's healthy for you, healthy for your kids, and you just take a handful whenever you want. It's wonderful, and it's super, super healthy, and it's an antioxidant. And oh, for gosh sakes, my favorite is the Ningxia Red, and it's down in the kitchen, I'm sorry. But it's a huge bottle, it's red, and it's all 8 of the world's most powerful antioxidants. And there's no other company that puts all 8 and absolutely pure. They grow it on soil that has been certified organic for 50 years. There's no heavy metals, there's no chemicals of any kind. There's no fertilizer, pesticide, insecticide, nothing at all. It's pure goodness. And I take 1 or 2 ounces in the morning and 1 or 2 ounces at night. And I mix it with, I fill up the rest of the glass with water and sometimes an ice cube because it tastes really good cold. And it invigorates my life. I don't know if you know, but I haven't been able to run for 40 years, from age 36 to age 76. I was a super athlete back in my teens and 20s and 30s. And then I ran an ultra marathon of 100 kilometers, that's 62 miles. And at the end of it, I was wheezing because I damaged my lungs so much, and I couldn't run for 40 years. After 3 months with Ningxia Red, I'm now running again. I can run an hour. I'm 76 years old. I can run an hour without panting just because of that. And the other stories that I hear about eliminating sleeplessness and getting rid of irritability and being able to stand up and not have your back hurt and your knees hurt. It rejuvenates all the organs of your body and all your joints. It's wonderful. Oh my gosh. Now this is brand new. You can see it's still in the packaging, and it's called Mira. And I have hair gel. And so I looked in the Young Living catalog for their hair gel. And what I found is Mira, and it says lustrous hair oil. And so all you do, it's got a little pinch thing here. So you unscrew it and pinch it on your hair and just rub it through. And it's supposed to make your hair luscious or luxurious. And then maybe that'll be the same as as a hair gel. I don't know. I'm going to try it. I'm really excited. Now, lavender. I always have lavender in every single order. You can see I have lots and lots and lots of oils. Wait, see if I can show you that. Yeah, you can see all the oils on that ledge. I've got so many oils. I've got about 70 oils. But every single month, we order the lavender oil. And every single month, we order our absolute favorite fragrance is Northern Lights Black Spruce. First of all, it has a wonderful, wonderful fragrance. Second of all, it helps with sleep. So when Karen and I are doing our toiletries at the end of the day, maybe we're going to go into the bath together, or maybe we're going to go into our indoor sauna together, or maybe we're going to go into our outdoor hot tub. But before we start that, we always fill up the diffuser on her side of the bed and put in Northern Lights Black Spruce. And by the time we actually get into bed, the entire bedroom is filled with this wonderful fragrance. First of all, it makes us feel so wonderful. And second of all, it helps her sleep. And lavender, like, is there a flavor better than lavender? And so we use so much of it that I order 2 every single month. Now, the next one is Citrus Fresh, which I didn't order, but it came as a gift. Why did they send me a gift? Because in Young Living, the minimum order is 100 PV, which means product value. But if you order more than that, like 130 or more, or 200 or 300 or 400, they give you gifts, more and more gifts. And one gift that I got was Citrus Fresh, and it's a really, really beautiful flavor. Citrus, it's like a combination of grapefruit and orange and lime and lemon, and they put it all into one blend. And then the other one that I got for free was orange, a big one, 15 mil of orange. And I like to diffuse that in the mornings because it's like people want an orange juice in the morning. This is like an orange juice, but no calories. So that's what I got this month, plus the huge bottle that I didn't show you, 4 bottles of Ningxia Red. Usually I order 6. 4 is their suggested dose, but I like to be healthier. And so if you can afford it, do a 6-pack instead of a 4-pack. Anyways, I love you, and that's what I ordered for this month of February 2021.